Hi, I'm David Saffin, Associate Professor and Chair of the Department of Communication, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the About section of your LinkedIn profiles. And when you're looking at LinkedIn, it really has all those qualities that a resume has, and they answer those questions of who, what, where, and when. Who you are, what you've done, where and when you've done it. So those jobs that you've had over the past 4 or 5 years, even more, and the dates that you did them, where they are, what your responsibilities were. And those are all very important, but they're also very dry. So I think that when you're building out your LinkedIn profile, you should look at that About section as the opportunity to answer another question, that is why. Okay, we have who, what, where, and when, but we don't always think about the why. Why do you want to do something? Why do you want to be something? And that's where I think that you can really take advantage of your abilities as a storyteller. Okay, whether you want to be a teacher or a poet or a painter or a carpenter or a videographer, there are reasons why, there are inspirations, there are moments in your life that have inspired you to move in that direction. And so before you go into something like LinkedIn, I would ask yourself why you want to do the things that you want to do. And how are those things going to shape you into the person that you want to be? Okay, and boil it down to a story or two. From the moment I was 8 years old, I knew I wanted to do this, and here's why. Think about the people who inspired you to become those things. Okay, and it really builds out that whole person. It really takes something that can be really dry and really bland and gives it some color and gives it some dimension.